For primary 5 and 6 students, synthesis and transformation becomes an advanced challenge. Your child will master powerful structures like no sooner than for better writing. Instead of simple sentences, they learn to write with sophisticated, complex grammar. For example, they transform basic phrases into professional, PSLE-ready English sentences. This skill is exactly what examiners look for in high-scoring composition pieces. Mastering these structures helps students avoid repetitive, simple sentence patterns in exams. It directly boosts performance in both Paper 2 synthesis and creative composition writing. Our course features fully recorded lessons with detailed, easy-to-follow voice explanations. At the end of each section, topical worksheets provide essential practice opportunities. Step-by-step answer keys allow your child to check their understanding immediately. They can practice with real, exam-style questions to build true academic confidence. Join our primary 5 and 6 course today to master PSLE English the easy way.